Hello everyone, Zine with you, and today I'll show you how to convert an image into a vector in Adobe Illustrator. First, you should go and open Adobe Illustrator like so. Then you want to go and click on File on the top left side. Then what you should do is to click on New. After that, you want to go and create a project or create a new document. Click on Create just right here. Then once you click on Create, you want to go and click on File again, then go and click on Place. Then go and locate the photo that you want to change it to vector in Adobe Illustrator. I'm going to choose this photo, then click on Place. After that, I will select the area that I want to put the image on. So I will select this area. And now what you should do is to click on Window on the top right side right here. On the top middle corner, click on Window, then go and click on Image Trace right here. After you click on image trace, you should go here to mode and change this from black and white to color, then click on trace. After you click on trace, you can now go to object on the top left side, then scroll down till you find here image trace and choose expand from this option right here, from this drop down menu. Then what you should do is to click on ungroup. Then now we can choose each object and remove it or place it separately and do the adjustments to each element inside this vector. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.